Hi you guys, it's Danita Young with Booty Bands, and I'm here to show you a one-pot, creamy, protein-packed lentil tomato basil pasta. You will need basil, canned diced tomatoes, oregano, garlic, an onion, so some amazing power protein pasta that is actually made with lentils. And then we have vegetable broth, olive oil, and one pot. This is great for my girls that are trying to stay dairy-free, gluten-free, and vegan. So come take a look at this. It's actually creamy, even though we used no cream whatsoever. So it looks really, really yummy. I'm super excited to try it. I just pulled 10 basil leaves. I just cut them up roughly, and I'm gonna put them in along with a little salt and pepper, and that honestly was the most quickest dinner known to mankind and female kind. So we just finished and ate the creamy pasta protein-packed dish, and all of my taste testers thought it was phenomenal. Very super easy and simple, just very few ingredients, threw it all into the pot like I just did. I really hope you guys try this because we all loved it. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, tell us other videos, or if you liked this, go ahead and let me know because I do look at all the comments. And I'll be looking out for my next video. I'm so excited to show you the water with raspberry mint.